Welcome to Cookinglandia. Today we bring you a classic French recipe that is pure pleasure. A delicious and smooth chocolate mousse. Ideal for when you want a light dessert, but with a deep chocolate flavor. Let's get started. But first remember that, if you are interested in our content, please give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us a lot. Chocolate mousse is a classic dessert that combines a light, airy texture with a deep, intense flavor. Its origin dates back to France, where mousse means foam, due to its fluffy and soft texture. This dessert is ideal for special occasions or to pamper yourself at any time. And the best part is that it is very easy to prepare, with few ingredients, but with impressive results. First, let's do a quick summary of our recipe. Our chocolate mousse has an easy difficulty. Its preparation time is approximately 15 minutes, while its refrigeration time is 2 hours. And its yield is 4 to 6 servings. Now let's see what utensils we will need. Don't worry about writing them down. We'll leave them in the video description along with the necessary ingredients. Electric or hand mixer, medium and large bowls, silicone spatula, serving spoons, and chocolate grater optional. To make this chocolate mousse, we need simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. Remember that we left them in the description. 200 grams or 7 ounces of dark chocolate, minimum 70% cocoa. 3 eggs, whites and yolks separated. 1/4 cup of sugar. 1 1/4 cup of whipping cream. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and grated chocolate or cocoa powder to decorate, optional. Okay, now let's prepare our chocolate mousse. The first thing we will do is melt our chocolate, and while it cools, we will prepare the rest of the ingredients. Melt the dark chocolate in a double boiler or in the microwave in short intervals of 20 seconds, stirring between each interval to prevent it from burning. Once melted, let the chocolate cool slightly to prevent the yolks from cooking when mixing. In a large bowl, beat the cream, preferably with an electric mixer, until soft peaks form. You should not overdo the shake, since we want a light texture. Reserve in the refrigerator while we continue with the next steps. Separate the yolks from the whites and set aside. In another bowl, beat the egg yolks with the sugar until the mixture turns pale in color and is fluffy. Add the vanilla extract and mix well. Add the warm melted chocolate to the yolk sugar mixture. Do it slowly and mix until well combined. This preparation will be thick and rich in chocolate flavor. In another clean bowl, beat the egg whites with a pinch of salt until they form firm peaks. The stiff egg whites are key to achieving that light and airy texture characteristic of the mousse. Integrate everything with enveloping movements. This is what will give that light and airy texture to the mousse. Add the beaten egg whites in 2 parts to the chocolate and yolk mixture. use a silicone spatula to integrate them with enveloping movements. Do not mix excessively so as not to lose the air that will give the mousse its fluffiness. Then, add the whipped cream in 3 parts, again with gentle, enveloping movements. Once we've mixed everything together, we'll refrigerate it for a while, and then decorate it for an extra touch. With our homogeneous and light mixture, distribute the mousse in individual glasses or in a large bowl, depending on your preference. Place the mousse in the refrigerator and let it rest for at least 2 hours so that it reaches the ideal consistency. Before serving, you can decorate the mousse with a little grated chocolate or cocoa powder to give it an extra touch of elegance and flavor. And that's it. Look how easy it was to make this amazing chocolate mousse. At Cookinglandia, we are always excited to share unique and delicious recipes with you. Thanks for joining us. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss any of our recipes. See you in the next video. See you soon. And for more detailed articles and recipes, visit our website at Cookinglandia.com.